So it's a cold one here in Kingsville in my brother's house. I'm doing right now I'm working on a Patriot intake manifold runner control. Got to take it out, put a new one that I just purchased, and see if my code P2004 go away so I can get my e-test. So as you can see right here, Patriot. I take out my A vent, take off my battery lead and my you can see to go because I move too much stuff, right? So we have this here that I just bought because I have a code P2004. I'm going to change this and see if the code come off. This have 3 bolts, one 8mm, two 10mm, one above, one below. Let there be light. Let there be light. Alright. Put on the flash. Okay. So you see the cable and the bracket. I have to come off right there. So I already take off one bolt from right there. You could see right there, one bolt. Then now it's the 8mm, 10mm below. Take off the wiring and make an exchange. Alright, see you back in a minute. So as you can see, I get all my bolts out now to unhook the wire, coupling, whatever you call. Then you see our Lego right there.
What is that?
Okay, there we go. It's the old one. We call this intake manifold runner control solenoid. I see this is the old one, and you could see, man, if you could see, but right there it fits. Control the air intake. Easily cost me $160. Okay, let's get the new one. Come just like this. Just got this one from Carcrest. $160. Put it in yourself, save some money. So there it is, brand new, set on, then plug up. So now I'm just gonna put back on my air filter and my air control, hook on back my other stuff and get this thing ready, start up, and then see what's going on. My air stuff already gone there, and just last piece of the puzzle and go to start. Okay, everything is back up like we should be. All the air, all the intake air is back up like it should be. The whole intake solenoid runner control right there. So I'm gonna start it up, see what's happened.